Welcome back. Now let's make some adjustment to ensure our animation loops seamlessly. We'll start by addressing the coding window animation and eliminate any jumps. First, I'll turn on solo mode for coding window layer to focus on this adjustment. If you are creating a loop animation, the very first frame and the very last frame must be identical in every way. That means the first frame and ending frame must be same. To show the roller, I'll select View in the menu bar, Show Roller. So we need to adjust this animation as a loop animation. I'll click on the roller and drag down to create a guideline that matches the top edge of our coding window. Next, I'll navigate the last keyframe of the coding animation. You can see the slight gap between the coding position and the guideline is causing a noticeable jump in our loop animation. To fix this, I'll place the time indicator on the last keyframe. I'll do this by adjusting position value carefully until the top of the coding aligns smoothly with the guideline. Let's preview this. Now our coding animation flows seamlessly without any jumps. Right, I'm gonna exit solo mode to check how coding animation fits with. Alright, let's address the noticeable jumps in the head movement. I'll start by selecting the head layer. We've already set the keyframe for the rotation values of the head. Here, we want to character look up as the coding window scroll up and then look down as he prepares, press the keyboard again. Time indicator to a point about 10 frames before the end, around the 3-second mark. I'll insert a keyframe here to lock in the current rotation. Then, at the 3-second mark, I'll copy the very first frame of the rotation sequence and paste it here. This action ensures that the rotation at the start and the end of the sequence is consistent. Let's preview the animation to see how the head movement flows seamlessly now. Now let's refine the hand movement using similar approach. I'll start by selecting all the hand layers and pressing R to reveal the rotation keyframes. Next, I'll position the time indicator about 10 frames before the 3-second mark on the timeline and insert a keyframe to maintain the current hand position until the coding window scrolling is complete. Then, at the 3-second mark, I'll copy the very first keyframe of each hand layer and paste it here. This ensures that the starting and ending position of the hand animation are consistent. This hand animation is now refined and loop friendly. The entire animation is now looping seamlessly. Now let's move on to rendering this animation.